Look at this. So we're just gonna let these cook up and yeah. Really? Wait, can you let me know? Sounds good. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah, no, this is great. Oh my goodness. All right guys, I'm at Walmart. I'm gonna grab some food to cook and then we're gonna go to the beach and cook on the beach and watch the sunset. You probably can hear my water just squashing around. Yeah, the sun sets in about an hour. It's 4:40 right now. So I have to hurry up and go shop. And then the beach that I'm going to is like 20 minutes away, so. I'll probably just go with this one, eh?
Yeah.
So just throw some salt on there, some pepper and stuff.
Yeah.
Olive oil. All right, thank you so much. You guys have a great day. All right guys, we're going to check out. I gotta find a place to park so I can start making dinner. This is a beautiful view. I'm so excited to be cooking on the Blackstone tonight. It's very rocky. Look at the ocean though. I mean, you guys can't see it yet, but I can see a little bit of it. Those waves are choppy. But I'm thinking we just park. We just park like on the side over here, and then we'll go to the beach and check it out and stuff. This is literally the perfect spot to cook dinner, and then we're gonna walk on the beach and watch the sunset. The lady was actually about to close the park and she let me in, so I'm thankful for that. I didn't even have to pay for parking. So now we're gonna cook dinner and yeah. I know that's a lot of black pepper, but dude, that's a lot of black pepper. Maybe I shouldn't have put that much black pepper on there. And then we'll start working on our steak. How does that sun look? Sun's still up there. But I got a flat iron steak because this was like the only single steak that they had. All the other ones had like 4 or 5 and it just costed way too much money. So I was like, I'll just get a flat iron. I have no idea how to cook steak, so we're gonna try my hardest. And those potatoes are cooking up nice. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, not a lot. We're just gonna flip it over and we're gonna do the same thing. Tiny bit of pepper. And I think we're actually gonna add some garlic powder on there for some flavor. So we're just gonna let these cook up and then we'll throw the steak on there. And yeah. Look at this. Like, life is crazy, bro. We're out here. I'm on the beach right now. Let's get back to cooking before we burn stuff. We're gonna throw this steak on there. I think your boy messed up. The potatoes look good though. That's a plus. We're gonna try to make the best steak that we possibly can with what we have. All right, these potatoes are done. Dude, that's still so raw. Oh no, bro. We're making hibachi. Woo, 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 woo. Choo choo. Steak hibachi? Is that what you asked for? All right, guys. We got our steak. We got our freaking potatoes. We just dipped the truck and now we're going to the beach so we can watch the sunset. Oh my goodness, look at this sunset. Oh my. Dude, that steak is so good. Guys, the steak is actually really good. And these potatoes are actually really good too. Really? Wait, can you let me know? I'm from Nashville, so.
Yeah, so if you come out of the park, over like on the streets and stuff like that, if you see like just like dirt patches on the side of the road,
we can stay there.
Your pavement your tires are off the pavement, it's fine.
Do you know like any like spots or like
There's
actual?
literally some like right outside of the park. It's right by people's
When do
houses.
you guys open?
We open. Yeah.
All right, sounds good. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
All right, guys, I gotta be quick. So I thought I overcooked the steak, but it's actually really tender. And I try to go on the beach to show you guys with my GoPro and phone and stuff. But, well, I'm gonna finish this meal and then I'll pick you guys up in the morning when I leave Charleston. And yeah, guys. All right, let's go to the beach. I don't even know how we're gonna get there. Oh, I hope we can cut through. I might be screwed, boys. I just thought about that. I have to cut through somehow. I literally have coffee in my hand and we're having to walk around. This is where I was yesterday. I'm trying to run with my coffee. Oh, spilling it everywhere. All right, can we cut through somewhere over here? Nope, we gotta climb the freaking stairs now. All of this just to watch the sunrise. Oh yeah, no, this is great. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This was actually perfect. I'm on this little like pier walk thing. Yo, this was actually perfect. We got a cup of coffee with it too, let's go. Oh wow, dude. That's where I was yesterday. And this is all a part of it. I'm gonna head back to the truck, but this was absolutely amazing. All right, we got everything all packed up. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to hit the road. We're headed down to Jacksonville, Florida. This trip is gonna be awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want more content like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also comment, it helps the algorithm. It also supports me. If you have any ideas or opinions, let me know down in the comments. Make sure to stay saucy. Let's go, baby.